today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an awesome superhero video for your kids in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. You will see that I've prepared and dragged onto the timeline some files for this project, including the video and music. Here you can feel free to import all the files you want in your video. Let's trim the clip around here at the 4-second mark. Now, let's go to the Effects tab. I'll select the first effect to remove the background and drag it onto my video. Then, let's double-click on it, and you'll see the transform settings being extended. I'll look for the video effects to make some adjustments to the effect. Now, head over to the Titles tab and search Superhero Pack. I'll use this and drag it onto the video. Then, let's double-click on it and you'll see the text setting being extended. Here, I'll click on the Advanced button to make some changes in the text. You can use your creativity and change the color, font size, and others you would like for the text. Once we've finished adjusting the text, let's go to the Effects tab and search Old Films. I'll use the first effect and drag it onto the third track. Double-click on it and adjust the alpha value to reduce the filter intensity. Then, let's go to the Elements tab and search Superheroes Cinematic. I'll use this and drag it onto the video. And now, I'll double-click on it and adjust the position on the preview window accordingly. Once I'm ready. I'll duplicate my clip because I'll track the elements I've selected for my clip. To do that, I'll hide the clip that I duplicated, and I'll double-click on the other one to enable the motion tracking option. Then, I'll hide and lock the other ones, and I'll start dragging the tracker on the exact part of the video I want it to follow as I'm doing now. Now that I'm almost ready, let's click on the Start Tracking option to make it work. And then, let's unlock the element we want the tracker to follow. For me, I'll select this one, and you'll see the result in the preview window. Then, I'll repeat the same process to make the other effect follow the tracker. Now, let's continue going back to the Effects tab and search Movie. I'll use this and drag it onto the 7th track. Now, go back again to the Effects tab. I'll select the Neon Ring effect, and I'll drag it onto the 8th track. Then, I'll double-click on it, and you'll see the settings panel extended. Here you can modify the color of your effect. Next, I'll use the same steps for the first part by adding some cartoon decoration overlay and a silent film filter. I'll also include some titles, and you can change the text animation by going to the Advanced Text Editor. For me, I choose the pinwheel animation for this text and remove the ending animation. And now, let's go back to the Effects tab. In this case, I'll select the Shake category. For me, I'll use this one and drag it onto the 9th track. And there you have it. A creative superhero video for your kids is done. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.